Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be working on a new project for a local business in Morehead City, Triworks Studio. The owner of the company reached out to me and said, look, we've expanded, we want to put this big centerpiece in, can you help us out? And I said, dude, that's right up our alley. That'll be absolutely fantastic. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to create these huge letters that are going to fit on this 12-foot wall. So the letters, once they're finally assembled, will be about 10 feet wide. These letters are going to be about 18 inches tall per, and it's going to be painted white on top of a gray wall, and it's going to look fantastic. I'm hoping we can make this a two-part series. Part one would be us making the lettering and painting, and then part two would be actually taking them over to the shop, and so we can show you what it looks like when it's finally assembled. So fasten your seatbelts, enjoy the ride. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is exactly what these clamps are meant for. Had to take a break from that, had to open the garage door. Even with the respirator, it still got a little crazy smelling inside there, so I had to open it up. Luckily it's a nice day, so that's not that big of a deal. That's going to wrap up part one. For part two, my goal, my hope is that I can get together with Josh and company and we can set these letters on the wall and get some footage of what that's going to look like. Get a nice time-lapse video and we'll go from there. All right, gang, we'll see you next time. Peace.